Here's how to convert WebM to M4A audio. So we can extract audio from a WebM video using ConvertSave. So I can drag and drop into ConvertSave, which is this app that I created for Windows and Mac. And all you have to do once you drag and drop it in here is select your output. So in this case, we're going to go to M4A audio. If we could find that selection here, hit convert, and it saves right back where any of those original files were. You can drag and drop multiple, do batch converting, anything like that. Basically, I was sick of, and I still am sick of, going to weird, sketchy websites to do all my file conversions. So I went to my brother instead, who's a software developer, and said, I want to make an app. I want it to work on Windows and Mac, and I want to just be able to drag and drop images, video, and audio into it and have it automatically detect what kind of conversions I can do. Give me a drop down, and I want to select it and hit convert, and it's going to save right next to that file. We made that, and now we're working on it, and we're building even more advanced features. You can actually add a lot of custom options to your conversions. So in this little options tab here, you can go in here, look at the conversion you're doing, look at the tool that's getting used, and add custom presets and different features here. And if you don't know those, you can go into the options builder, and you can actually build out your own commands that can do all sorts of different things. If you want just a certain portion of the audio from that video, or a certain portion, yeah, I said that right, portion of the audio from the video, you can do a start time and an end time to kind of trim out audio. You can do filters, adjust audio quality, the codecs, and it generates the command for you, and then it will put it into your custom command. So it helps you build out the custom command using a little bit more user-friendly options, and then you're able to do conversions with your custom command that does whatever it is you want. With images, you can add filters, you can crop, resize, all kinds of stuff. So it is just based on whatever the context is of your conversion. What's your input, what's your output? And there's gonna be options based on that, which is cool. So it's kind of automated, it detects whether it's an image or whatever, and then you can just hit convert save. It's gonna be the best quality, or you can go in and do your own custom options. That's ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys appreciate like the value in it, or maybe it adds something to your workflow. That's really what I hope. So I appreciate your support. Either way, go check it out at convertsave.com. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the comments or description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.